again, but just with our voices. Let's lift it up together. You're